Hi, and welcome to Virtual Construction Assistant's weekly tips and tricks for your office system. Our tip for today is about updating your status in MS Teams. Team status allows people in your organization know when you're busy or away from your desk. While Teams will automatically set the status in some cases, like when you're in a call, you can manually set it. You can even set a status message. Here's how. Open your MS Teams. Go to your profile at the top of Teams and select one from the list. Available is when you're active and don't have anything in your calendar like meetings or calls. Busy is when you want to focus on something and you do not want notifications to pop up. Do not disturb is when you want to focus or present your screen and don't want notifications to pop up. Be right back is when you want to say you're temporarily away. Appear away is when you need to work without responding right away. Appear offline is when you want to indicate that you're not signed into Teams and will not be able to respond until you're back online. You can also set the duration of your status. On top of these cool statuses, you can also put a status message. Let's say you'll go for a lunch. You can simply set your status to away and then set a status message like on lunch. This way, people will know you're away because you are on lunch break. How cool is that? Team Status is now a great communication tool. Effectively communicate during the work from home world. That's all for today. See you again next week for another tips and tricks.